Now that your YouTube channel is growing, don't you think that now is the right and appropriate time to safeguard and protect your channel, to add additional protection touches to that channel? Or better still, you are a new content creator who is still trying to grow. I think the earlier the better. You have to make sure that your channel is well safeguarded and well protected. The first thing you should do is to secure your account. By account, I mean the email address you use in opening those channels. You know that number one way of hacking accounts is through your email address. Now, whatever email address you use, you should make sure that you turn on two-step verification for those email accounts. Make sure that you don't share it with any other account. Like what I do is that all the whole email accounts that I use on my YouTube, I don't associate it with any other account, whether Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any account at all. It's strictly for YouTube. Make sure that your YouTube account have a separate email. That is actually what I did. My YouTube channel have a separate email account, my AdSense a separate email account, and also the email account that I put up there for inquiries and all of that is also different, because these scammers, honestly, I don't know how they do it, but they can actually hack your email address by, I don't know if they do it by just looking at the email. I don't know. So you have to protect your channel and make sure that whatever email address you are using on your channel is separate from any other email address. Your AdSense account is separate email, your YouTube account is separate email, and the email that will be used in contacting you for inquiries and all that, the one you put up out there on your bio, is also different, to be on a safe side. And make sure you turn on two-step verification for that email, and don't click on random links. Okay, don't click on random links. There is something I recently did on my email. I don't know if it is available to you. They can easily dictate suspicious email address, and they will just block it. I don't know how I came across it. I just saw it and I turned it on, and trust me, whatever email that is coming to me is an important email. If it's all these random links from people that want to promote their, like before, I used to get messages from I don't know if they are creators. They will just ask me to message them so that they will help me to grow my channel, blah 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 blah. They saw my channel and this and that was not good, they can help me to create a good thumbnail, that I should send them email. I used to receive this message a lot before, but since I toggled that thing on, honestly guys, I don't receive any random email from anybody at all except YouTube team and other important, when I mean important, core important emails that are real and genuine. Because once you be getting all these random emails, you don't even know when you mistakenly click, and once you mistakenly click, honestly, I don't know how these scammers they do it, but just to be on a safe side, whatever protection step that you need to follow or use in order to make sure that your email and your YouTube channel is secure, please do, because your YouTube channel and email, it goes hand in hand. Okay, so that you will not work for another person to benefit. Okay, so please and please make sure that you secure all your email account that is associated to your YouTube channel and AdSense account. Very important. Now the second one is you should please follow YouTube community guidelines. Okay, make sure that you are in good relationship with YouTube team. Now this is a very important thing to do, because maybe scammers might not be the one to help you destroy your channel or hack it. YouTube can also do that for you if you don't follow their guidelines. They will think that you are here to mislead, or you are here to either cause problem, and they will just delete your channel, and once it's deleted, it's deleted. Okay, so please, whatever YouTube say you should not do, do not do it. Whatever they ask you to do, please do. Make sure you are in their good books and not their bad books. Okay, so they will not mark your channel as a threat or as a channel that is always violating their rules and all that. Please, if you don't know the guidelines, go to YouTube. You see all the whole rules there, boldly written there. Make sure you read through carefully and follow whatever it is that is their guidelines, and please avoid their don'ts and do their do's. Okay, the third one is protect your monetization, and in this I mean your AdSense and your watch time, because these are the two things that gives us creators a lot of stress and headache. Not even the subscribers, because subscribers are way easier to get, let's be honest, but you see AdSense and you see watch time, they are very difficult to come by. So that is why you need to protect these two things. Okay, that is why I said earlier, make sure that you use a separate email for your AdSense. Don't associate it with your YouTube. Make sure that the AdSense email is separate from the YouTube email account, so that God forbid they hack your YouTube, it will not affect your AdSense. Okay, so please and per watch hour or watch time, whatever you are doing to get watch time, make sure that is authentic and real, so that your sins will not revisit you when your channel start doing well. YouTube be like, okay, look at what you did then, and it will start affecting you. It will not be a good thing. Okay, so please, if you are pursuing watch time, make sure you do it in the right way. Do a proper and authentic live streaming. Okay, and then please do not buy watch time. Protect these two things. They are the two things that can give you headache. So if you don't protect it, you will lose it in the blink of an eye. Protect your AdSense. I see a lot of people, like I see this one, people that are even close to me, they do it, and I see it as the dumbest thing to do, because I don't know how you use another person's phone to log into your AdSense account. Someone just yesterday, I'm talking of yesterday, someone asked me to borrow her my phone. And what do you want to do with my phone? You want to log in and check your AdSense on my phone because you don't have data. And I'm like, God, what are you doing? Is this how you do with other people? Don't do it. Okay, don't trust me. Oh, don't trust me. Don't do it. I'm not giving you my phone, because something might happen and you blame me because I'm the one that borrowed you. You used my phone. So if you blame me, you are right. Okay, and it's very risky on your own end to use other people's phone to log into your AdSense. That is how it can easily be hacked. Okay, there are things you can do on your phone that you will not want to do in other people's phones. Like, you see, this YouTube thing is your business. It is your business, and you don't play with your business. Okay, even if you don't have data or your phone is faulty or anything, please make sure you just keep it there till when you can, solve the problem. But please don't keep it hanging for a long time. Like now, even my best friend or my family, I don't even use their phone for this AdSense or YouTube thing. Why? Is because they have friends that might want to borrow their phone for something. It's not like I don't trust my family. I trust them, but why I cannot do this with their phone is because their friends might borrow their phone, or their girlfriends or their boyfriends might borrow their phone to do something, and from there the information will leak. You understand? They might go to Chrome and see my details there, and they might not know it's me, or they might know, but because I'm not related to them, they might just do whatever they want to do. So what am I trying to say in essence is that please let your information be yours and yours alone. You use on your phone, and anybody you are giving your phone to, make sure that you know what the person is actually doing with your phone, because these hackers can be around you. They might be someone you know. So please make sure you are careful of these things. Make sure you are careful, so that you will not work for another person to enjoy. That is just what I'm trying to tell you. Don't work for another person to enjoy. Another person should not enjoy your sweat. So safeguard your channel, safeguard your AdSense, safeguard your YouTube channel. Fourth thing to do is to monitor copyright and strikes. One thing about YouTube, one thing I love YouTube is that whatever they are doing or whatever they are going to do to you, they'll first of all warn you. They will not just wake up one day and decide to, delete your channel or demonetize you or strike you. No, whatever they want to do, they will first off inform you on your channel, notify you both through email or whatever, but they will notify you. Even AdSense, if you have any problem with AdSense, they'll also send you a message. You see it there on the notification. So please listen to all these warnings, because once they warn you, you didn't take correction, they warn you twice, tries, they will take action. So make sure you monitor their strikes. Don't even wait to get strikes like 2 to 3 times in 90 days, because it will not do you any good. Okay, please and please, if possible, avoid anything strike on your channel. But if you've gotten one, fine and good. Make sure you avoid strike from henceforth, and also monitor your channel. Always go to, I don't know why you will leave your channel for days, months. You will not visit your AdSense, you will not visit your YouTube emails to check and know what they are warning you or informing you about. So pay attention to those things. They are very, very important. They will help you safeguard your channel and protect your channel. The last thing and the most important part is that you should be authentic and be sincere and transparent. You see, here on YouTube, you can be here as long as you like. YouTube will not have any problem with you. YouTube will not strike you for a day or warn you about anything if you follow their rules, if you are transparent and you are real and authentic. Okay, you don't have any problem with YouTube at all. So to crown everything that I'm talking about here pertaining YouTube side, not your own side, like pertaining YouTube side of safeguarding your channel, if you are transparent and you're authentic, you don't have any problem, you don't have anything at all to worry. YouTube is not going to expose your channel or delete your channel. Instead, if you have any problem, they will warn you. If you have anything, like if they see anything that might endanger your channel, they will warn you and tell you that oh, this is about to happen, or do this, do that. Or if there is any suspicious login or any action, they will warn you, like they will thoroughly warn you. So please, that is also why you need to pay attention to all your notification and your YouTube emails, because some of them are warning that might help you. Okay, they are trying to notify you that someone is trying to log in or use your information and all that. So you just have to pay attention to your channel, be transparent, be authentic, avoid being in YouTube bad books, and then on your own part, make sure you hold your phone very tight. Okay, don't give your phone to random strangers, and even if you give it to close friends, make sure you monitor what they are doing on your phone. And please keep your login details to yourself. Don't log into these important places with random phones. Don't borrow someone's phone to log into your YouTube or to log into your AdSense because you want to check something and you don't have this, you don't have data, your phone is down. Utter nonsense. Don't do that, okay? Because like they say, trust no one. Okay, so please and please, let's safeguard our channel so that because the hustle is real. Okay, if you have been on YouTube or if you're a fellow creator, you know that the hustle is real and it's not easy. Think of the day, you will not regret it and you will not cry blood. I hope you've been able to learn one or two from all that I've listed here on how to protect and safeguard your channel. I'll see you in my next video. Remain blessed.